Over LBC. I put over LBC. Yeah, I put over LBC. Over LBC. I put over LBC. Over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon gods on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Started with a vision, now we running the game. Charts glow, purple teal, yeah, you know the name. From the beach to the block, we controlling the tide. Every candle that we light, that's the wave we ride. I've been grinding through the night, while the city don't sleep. Putting LBC on maps, taking wins, stacking deep. From the charts to the streets, got the fam in the mix. Every move calculated, yeah, we playing with steel. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. Moon guys on my chain, ain't no breaking the team. Crypto hustle late nights, yeah, we stay in the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. This for every wave rider who believed in the dream. We gon' put it on the map, keep it real, reign supreme. Reign supreme, reign supreme, reign supreme. I put over LBC, over LBC. I put over LBC, over LBC. From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam putting on endlessly.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. It is a Monday, June 22nd, 2026, at 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sorry, I'm trying to prep for a trade. Trying. Considering a long. Got the move up, pullback, potential continuation, nice break through VWAP. Momentum above the zero line, money flow above the zero line, above point of control. From one node to another. We're on the 1 minute chart. Put a fib on it. Bouncing off 382. I don't know about that. We've got this POC here. We got this one down here. I think I favored this one. Start of the move. This did break lows over here, but didn't break the significant low. Don't bounce from here. Anyways, what's going on, guys? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. How's it going? Duality C, not of this world. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Alexandra G, Mod Boss, Mod Queen, Mod God. Thank you for being here, and thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. Do greatly appreciate you for doing that. IRC in the house. Indie Rock Crypto. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. And we've got Melissa One Love. How you doing? How you doing? I appreciate you. Oh, and Curtis Hill, what's going on, Curtis? Good evening. Good evening. All right, let's go back. All right, kind of between here and here. Maybe go. I still like this down here. I don't like coming back to the other side of VWAP. Oh, that's at 236. That's not even the. Is it? Where's my labels? Why am I? Oh, I can't see them because of the dang. Two, 236. I don't know. It's looking kind of tasty. Sketched out though. Come back, baby, come back. Okay, so we did come back to a 3-minute FVG that broke above and closed above this high. Bring it back. Bring it down here to the midpoint of this FVG. That'd be nice. Bring it back down here. Give me that. Give me that. Let me get that. Let me get that. Got some relatively equal highs. Right, y'all. Let me get that. Could it come down to the 786? It could. Start of the move. Well, actually, this would be the start. 1 minute. FVG. Order block. Maybe go half position here and then half position here. Stop loss just below the low. Not bad. Stop loss. Well, thinking about my next trade. Stop loss at 63,400. Entry. Wait. Oh, okay. TP at 63,500. Oh, mega scalp. What do you want? 100x? $100 move? Or big margin? Could bounce off this VWAP. I want it to fall through though. How about some music? How about some music? Yawning starting too early, dog. Lost that VWAP. There's a high volume candle. More volume over here. Uh, 21 million. How was your Monday? How many trades did you take today? As usual, I did not take a trade today. Mondays are not kind to me, so I don't trade them. Sorry. Let me know if the music is too loud or too soft. Do have some overlapping fibs here at that golden pocket, but if we bullish engulf here at VWAP, all right, we're getting a CVD divergence here, meaning red candle, but our delta is positive, meaning we're seeing buy absorption. 50% retrace, or a little bit lower. Come on. Come on. See, this push down started over here, and we're pushing away from that. So I've got a feeling after losing VWAP, this might just come down. Come down and take out this low. What is volume telling us? We did have that a lot of divergence in here. Whoa, look at that on the CVD. Big push. Second of bullish engulf. 30 seconds. Bounce off of FVG. Pushing. 5, 4. Trying. Alright. Took a long. Nice bullish engulfing. We have CVD come along with it. Money flow is still in the green. And we're getting a push. Alright. And we're bouncing off of that VWAP too. So I'll take a little bit off. If it gets up here. Stop loss just below this low. This tricky one. I had a tornado, won a few trades, then the sun came up. Had my chainsaw going at 8 a.m. Don't think you got that, but hey, I'm looking lower for an entry. I don't get it. Come on. Look, big sell on CVD. Candle not really moving. That's nice. Seeing some absorption. Need to see some follow through though. Granted, we're trading on the 1 minute. Okay, bullish engulfing on the 3 minute as well. Go ahead and put this here. Push. Push. Glad you guys are safe, Curtis. Absolutely. Still crushing it in the midst of chaos, legend. Absolutely. Good eve morrow, Mr. LBC. Blessings to all and pamp it. Let's go. What's up, Al Jr.? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Push, push, push. Equal highs. I said, no, I'm good. Your mic is a bit low. Is my mic low? Yellow. Hello. There we go. It's in the peaking now. A little bit. Maybe a little more. Hello. Hello. Come on. Push. Push. Oh, you closed above. Okay. Still alive. 3 minute. 45 seconds. Come on, push up a little bit. Nope. The slightest of bearish divergences. Pullback. Continuation. Pullback into FVG. Come on. Order flow. Come on. Give me bullish order flow. Go. 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 Oh, that candle closed bullish. Yes. Continue. You may continue now. So anyways, you guys didn't say anything about the music. Too high? Too low? Do we need to put on something more ghetto? Do we need trap? Oh, sorry, I just blinded you. I know. But I gotta see something. This doesn't look too shabby.
Saw the setup clear as day, same pattern, same play, same entry I've hit before, so I didn't hesitate.
I don't know, guys. I kind of like this for higher. Let me zoom out real quick. All right, this is my naked chart, so I gotta get 41 drawings. Bye bye. Too much on the chart. No flood. Put some Snoop Deal double G's, everybody. I can't do that. It's this whole copyright thing. I think it's a good mix. Personally, I'd like music volume a little higher, but you're good. I mean, I can make it higher. I do, when it comes to production, I want to have a mix of stuff that I like to do and stuff that you guys enjoy that I like to do. I could just sit here and not talk and just play music and trade. Do have a 3-minute FVG here, but it wasn't created on a break. Money flows nice and green. Momentum pushing to the upside. Come on. Get a continuation here. Needs to get going. Don't give me no chop slop. First blood, and I feel it. Can you play Douche Canoe? I don't have that one, I'm sorry.
They keep printing. We keep stacking. LBC. Ride the wave.
Tomorrow we do have Core PCE. So Core PCE is the change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, excluding food and energy. So it's the Federal Reserve's primary inflation measure. Inflation is important to currency valuation because rising prices lead the central bank to raise interest rates out of respect for the inflation containment mandate. I saw something earlier today about, what was it? Now, who was it? Was it the, Bank of America. Bank of America said that they expect 3 rate hikes this year. I imagine if we were to get a rate hike or get rate hikes that we're only going to go up like 0.25% at a time, unless they're like, no, let's just go ahead and just nip this in the bud and just, instead of the slow, Band-Aid pull, just rip that thing off. Is Douche Canoe like 311 style? Or something similar? I got something like that, but it's LBC. All right, anchor VWAP at this low. Got to push off of that. Okay, same there. Bitcoin dominance 59. Total DeFi back up. Don't end up bend. Ride the lunar wave with me. Disbelief. Ride the lunar wave with me. Do have a bit of a money flow, bullish money flow divergence here on our total DeFi. Pretty big one, actually. DeFi gonna get a push? Maybe. How's our NASDAQ looking? How did we finish the day? I haven't even looked at anything other than Bitcoin. Indecision day, okay, but leaving behind equal highs. I do believe those will get taken. The Dow looking okay. Now I did see SpaceX dropped like 10% today. Who could have seen that coming? My goodness, almost taking back all IPO gains. Imagine that. Definitely what we were saying. And look at that. Daily CVD divergence. Boom. Daily bearish CVD divergence. So you got a green candle, red delta. So you have a divergence between these two. If you don't know what delta is, so whenever I talk about delta, I'll go ahead and explain that. So you've got like buyers and sellers on each side of the market, right? Buyers, sellers. And this is the candle, okay? On one side you got buyers, on the other side you have sellers. And within this candle, you've got, you know, the different price levels. And let's say up top here, we've got like 10 orders. We got 15 orders here. Whoop. We've got 11 orders. We've got 8. And we've got 20. There we go. So that's 10. And on this side, we've got 8. Whoop. 8. 10. 12. 10. 12. All right, so on this side, on our buy side, we have 25, 36, 39, 59. So we got 59 on the buy side, and on this side, we've got 18, 30, 40, 52. So this gives us a plus 7 delta. So in this candle, we have essentially 7 more buys than we do sells. And the difference between these two, between the buyers and the sellers within this candle, is your delta. Now, if this ended up being a red candle, but this number is positive, then you get, that's a delta divergence. So even though price went to the downside, you still had more buyers and sellers within the candle. And that is important because that is an indication of absorption. Absorption is when you have a whole bunch of sellers coming in, but you have enough buyers to come in and absorb all those sell orders because there's more buyers than sellers. And you really love to see this type of stuff at tops and bottoms. So if this was to come down here and we had like essentially this, a red candle with a wick pushing down, but our delta, our CVD, is green, is +7. Well, that first sign of absorption, of buyers absorbing the sells as price pushes lower. And you also, if you can see an increase in your volume at the same time, that's even better. Those are going to be your first signs of reversal. Come up, break this high, pull back, and then ride to the upside to take out the high. And it's exactly like this in reverse if it's bearish. A to Ace, what's going on? SpaceX under 125? Yeah, probably. I saw that SpaceX released that they have 100 billion, a little over 100 billion in cash reserves. Jeez. Maybe that was them that was sold off. You know? Yo, what's going on, Dusty? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. A to Ace in the house. Alan in the house. What's up? What's up? How y'all doing? How's my trade doing? I don't like it when I go on tangents sometimes and I'm in the middle of a trade, a scalp, but I do have my stop loss on, so that's your delta. So whenever anyone's talking about your volume delta, that is what they're talking about. So with these CVD candles, you know, they pick up the volume or the orders within each candle. And so like these right here, this is a divergence here. Got a divergence. Of course, just like with everything else in trading, you have to have confluence. What is happening at the same time that we actually get back-to-back bearish divergences? We are coming up into VWAP. Then we get a bearish engulfing candle. And then you ride the wave to the downside. Are you long or short? I am long. Scalp long. Push down. So you get that delta divergence. Now, this one's pushing to the upside. So our delta divergence is going to be less than 0. Less than 0. Back-to-back delta divergences. So we were seeing more sell orders than buy orders going into VWAP during a push to the downside. Pull back to VWAP. Roll over. And this is on the 15-minute. And go down to the 5. This little move here. Yeah, see, this is a weak low. No bullish divergence. That would have been a nice little short there. Delta divergence right on that last candle. And this one. And this one. Oh yeah, let's go. I like this. I like this setup. Let's go. Come on now. Came back into FVG. Could get a continuation because that would show that we are still in bullish order flow. If we just continue to bounce off of FVGs. Oh, that's bullish order flow. But I need continuation. I'm short BTC from 64 147. I hope you already took some profit. But did you just now go short? Like over here? I mean, so we consolidated on top of this high, so that's nice. Mitigating this order block, trying to. You see that nice little push and then drop. That's a nice order block there. So absolutely potential. I mean, we are getting into supply here, so that's why I want to see if we can get some continuation. I'd be pretty happy about it. Missed a 1/4 off at the VWAP. Yeah. Low-fin chart. It's basically the same, but yeah. I mean, that's what I'm trading on is blowfin. Money flow still green. True 7 is green. Momentum is green. Give me the push so I can take a little bit off here at this high. And then let the rest ride. Move stopped it to entry. And then let the rest ride. I didn't put a whole lot on this trade. 50 bucks, 48 bucks. Come on, give me a continuation, dog. I don't even know how this song goes. Something like that. Salama. Some nice highs here and here. Juicy, juicy. FEG. On Lunar Beaches, I believe. I remember now. So this kept going. Salama. $382. Okay. And golden pocket. 71.69. 71.69. Oh, wait a second. Wait.
Every wallet is a tomb. Every ledger hides the room where the faithful lose their way and the market makes them pray.
When?
But still I
Oh, it's not till tomorrow? Tomorrow night? Okay. Sorry. Squirrel moment. My boss said that the NBA draft was tonight. Well, it's not till tomorrow night, so. BTC could run back to the bull market support band. MVP OS is trying to curve up. Did just get a red diamond here on the 3-minute. See, I got in on the 1, so that was also Solana. Bro, everything's green. Come on, push. Even the volume matrix and the power bar are green. Push. Getting on my dadgum nerves. It's 57 cents. That's all I gotta cover to take care of fees. Not of this world. Come on, push. Bull market support band. Let's turn it on. Probably can't see it on the 3-minute. $70,814 or 70,910. Here's the bottom side of that. 786. Golden pocket. So confluence there. That's nice. Let me get that 300 wheat. Sorry, I'm in that mode. We'll just call it ADHD mode. Made it. Hey, what's going on, Harpsky? How you doing, bruh? Maybe this drags out a little longer before it breaks. But either way, I mean, looking at 54,000, and that's not, I mean, that's exactly right in line.
Riding the charts like a tidal wave. Lunar code, we were born to brave. Crescent globe at the God's on call. Crypto storms, we surf them all. Shots are wild, but the spot don't fold. Eyes on the flip, hands on the gold. Midnight hits and the markets spark. We move like sharks in the lunar dark. Bro, we ride the waves with the moon.
I wonder if it'll come all the way up here to the 786. Maybe not. No.
Signal split like the ocean flare. Charts so clean, got the bots in despair. No cap, we define it.
Yeah, right here.
Goes dance when the moon gods groove. We don't chase, we summon trends. From the shadow where the candlestick bends.
Basically this range.
We bleed. We don't FOMO, we lead the feed. Zoom in on the killer wave.
Rollover, bear div. Where?
Stream with the charts on blast. Every red flash, we counter fast. Bro, we ride the wave with the moon gods. Stacking gains while the
Nah, it's an internal bear div. If anything, maybe just a slight pullback to the anchored VWAP.
with the moon gods.
I mean, it could roll over. Right where that anchor VWAP is, you got that high volume node there. Lose that and you come right back down to the golden or point of control. 63,961. But nothing on the outside swings as far as bear div goes, so I don't really put a whole lot of weight in the short term time frame. Let me have my hopium. Not allowed. I give you a hopium. It might come back down to VWAP. I'm rejecting the midpoint of the wick over here, so how are we looking on CBD? Red candle, green CVD at a high. Now that could be bad for me, because now I gotta think. You gotta think opposite. Because usually it's like, okay, they tried to sell, you got absorption. But it could also be they were trying to buy, but they sold. There was enough sellers to push that price down, even though you had a pretty decently sized green delta relative to this move here. Not this one. This move here. Nice sweep. Come back down, close back down here. It's just going sideways, man. We're on a 3 minute. It's been sideways for 50. No, yeah. Let's see. Ever since I gone live, it's basically just sideways. It's the exact same price it was on the first candle when I started the stream. which means it's about to make a move, because it usually waits until like the last 5-10 minutes of my stream, or like the first like 15 minutes of the next hour. So come on now. Short from just over 65k, might have to reverse that trade soon. You took a short from just over 65, so all the way up here. Yeah, almost. I was looking for that short today, dude, but it never came back. I was looking for way more of a retrace here, but it never came back. And once I saw that low get taken, I think it was right around market open, right after market open. Yep, right after market open, you get to push up and then a pullback to take the low, and then it just went sideways. So I didn't enter, and then I went to the downside. So I had a short bias to start the day, but not even a 50% retrace, man. So I missed it. This is looking pretty nice. I like it. Haven't played these songs in a minute. Oh, point of control right up here. 64,644. Value area high 64,761, and we are bouncing off the value area low of this range from high to low. Well, high to current price. Can actually turn. Wait, what happened to my anchored volume profile? Yep, money flow still green, momentum still pushing. Maybe a potential bear div coming in here as the RSI kind of lags. It's kind of lagging. But this can get a big push, maybe a little short squeeze. Maybe it'll come up for me and break this high. And if it does that, then that's good for follow through momentum. TA Tuesday. Come on, continuation. Checked out the first half of the album yesterday. Nice work, man. I'll finish it today. Oh, appreciate it, Alan. Sideways chop all summer. Hourglass crypto. I would not be surprised. We've actually gone over that scenario here, man. Or gal, I don't know. I'm gonna guess based on my demographics and crypto's demographics. Probably a dude. Y'all have a good night. You too, Ada Ace. It's a tough one. Last 5 minutes. Come on. All right, what'd you say? Yeah, sideways chop all summer. Yeah, I mean, I definitely. Where do you see the equal highs, Harp? Is that why you're putting that in there? Um, or equal lows? Are you talking about these relatively equal lows? That's what I was just checking out. But this one's a little higher, but it didn't take that one. So, but they're also bouncing off of fair value gap. So, I mean, I'm still in the trade regardless. We'll just have to see what happens, but it's gonna upset me if it comes for this low, which it very well could, and come back down to this candle here. Do we have? Okay, that's oh. Oh, where's this gonna go? And I have not listened to these songs in so long. Oh, moon gods. Getting a little bit of a push. Getting a little bit of a push.
Eyes on the chart like a priest in the zone, praying to the wicks and the candles tone, sipping that slippage, feeling that FOMO, portfolio flex like it's holy promo, sacrifice fiat, selling the pump, altars of alpha, wallets get plump, lunar eclipse, my stop loss missed, and I'm baptized.
I got a feeling that's what it's gonna do. Something stupid. Something very Asia session. Take these highs. Take those highs and then reverse. Come back down for demand. Got these I don't know if I call these equal lows. I mean, if I went down to the 30-second, I'm sure they'd be there. But demand zone, get a nice push off of that. That'd be pretty cool. Yeah, look at it. It's trying to reverse. Reverse, reverse. Oh no. Oh no. Now the only lows that actually matter are these lows. This low in particular. It's your most recent swing low. Well, technically this is not your most recent swing low because we have not broken this high over here yet. So this is the low right here that needs to hold. So on the higher time frames, yeah, this is the low that needs to be taken. Now we took this low. So I'm looking for a retrace and probably more sideways, if not down. Sideways and down. Bro, that's a sideways emoji. Ah, I see. It's not, but I see why you say that. It's an equal highs, equal lows emoji getting taken out. It's hard to tell, but this is what it is. It's actually why equal highs, equal lows. One side gets taken out, the other side gets taken out. You retrace, continuation, or retrace, reclaim, continuation. But that's what I'm always looking for. Where is all set? All right, come on, bounce off it. Excuse me. That's my cue. That short's about to bang, bro. Just push straight through that VWAP. Now we're at the session VWAP. Ooh. Ow.
You rise before the world has woken. Draw lines in silence, faith unspoken. Each chart a song, each wick a flame. You
I guess Bitcoin chose violence. Jesus.
You are the fear wrapped in the bold. We meet in margins, thin as breath.
Well, I did risk less than 1% of the account, so I'm okay with it. And I was looking, I did find this. So now, if it does decide to keep coming down, I'll want to see a reaction off of these. I just wanted to at least get the high, man. How are you gonna come up that short? That close. Okay. Equal lows taken. Now we have relatively equal highs up here. So I like this even more.
You break our shape, and still you place your soul below a fragile faith in something almost rational.
Do something ugly like this. Typical Asia.
You swear this time it's more than chance. That structure sings and charts will dance.
Closed above.
I am chaos, clothed in grace. You seek the trend, I shift the pace. And when you win, you worship loud.
Ah, yeah. You did get stopped out. That's okay.
Yet still you stay, despite
FVG.
there's something sacred in return.
What do we have over here?
God will hold you when it breaks.
Divergence. Delta divergence.
Mistakes, but here you are again.
Get oversold like a mofo.
You give, I take, in every high I leave alone. We dance
63925. 63925. See if it can get there. Do we have any candle body divergences? We had one here. Should have looked at the Blowfin chart a while ago. Of course. Body divergence. Not divergence. Gap. It's in that 3 minute. Oh, that just closed. What about the 5? 5 minute close too. Alright, shout out to those that shorted. Can't win them all. We won the short last night. Well, I did get 50% out of the position. Moved my stop just below entry on a short, so still profited. That was my first trade of the day today. So one loss, less than 1% of the account. Managed my risk. I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it because my R multiple is about a 3 to 1, so or about a 3. I was hoping it would tag the 200 week before heading up. Where is the 200 week?
Everybody wants a piece when they hear you. Tell me what is really worth if I can't feel you, baby. Teach me how to love like you. I'm somewhere between gratitude and greed now.
Why can't I see it?
The goals get bigger each round. Mama say slow down. Enjoy what you got now, but the hunger in my chest still won't calm down. Got 100 missed calls from the past.
Down here?
Everybody got love when the cash right. Funny thing is I don't even brag much. I just learn pain, turn a man into a flashlight, and I'm still learning, still earning, still chasing every verse.
Why won't it show up?
I said I'd be when everybody said I wasn't worthy. Now the dashboard glowing while the highway stretch forever. And the rain on the windshield got me thinking we were better. Maybe all this success ain't the answer.
That might have been a little too zoomed in, to be honest.
Maybe I still need somebody real when the applause fades and the night gets colder. You only call me when the city's asleep.
Wait, what is this? We hunting trades. Blah. Oh man, rejecting the 382 as well. So this is the actual last swing low that it just anchored to, and that looks like what we just bounced, rejected. Yeah. think I was too zoomed in, fam. It's okay. Well, thank you guys for hanging out with me this evening. I do greatly appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and smacking that like button for me on your way out. Hitting that subscribe if you are new, and hitting that notification bell to be notified whenever I create new content and when I go live. Follow me on X at Lunar Beaches. Join the free Discord. Click on all the links in the description. Remember, nothing on this channel is financial advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Do this Sunday through Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hang out, trade, go over news, macro news, data. Kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. I do like doing the trading because it's one of the few times during the day I actually can look at the chart and trade at the same time. The only problem is we typically don't have a whole lot of volatility during my stream, so but yeah, go over indicators, all different kinds of indicators, different strategies, have a good time, community, all that good jazz. But thank you guys. I will see you all tomorrow, hopefully, God willing. And until then, I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. And I will catch you all in the next one. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. I don't know which one of these is better, so I'm just going to play one. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. They keep printing. We keep stacking. LBC. Ride the wave.
If the world keep printing, where you gon' go? When the value keeps dripping, what you gon' hold? Yeah. When they water down $1 till it don't feel real. I'm riding with the one thing capped at 21 mil. 21 million. That's all there'll ever be. 21 million. 21 million. That's enough for me. 21 million. Can't make another one. Why they keep running presses? We're already gone.
I remember hearing people say it wasn't real. Now them same folks asking how they buy the deal. Every cycle, same story, different disguise. Fear at the bottom, euphoria at the highs. I ain't chasing every trend, every shiny new coin. I've been watching scarcity while the money gets destroyed. Government spending like tomorrow never comes. Then they wonder why a paycheck barely covers what you want. See, I ain't mad, that's just the system they built. Debt stacked high like a mountain of guilt. So I started stacking sats, little pieces every week. Now my future looking stronger every time the printers speak.
We keep printing. Where you gon' go? Where you gonna go? When the value keeps dripping, what you gon' hold? What you gonna hold? When they water down $1 till it don't feel real. Yeah. I'm riding with the one thing capped at 21 mil. 21 million. That's all there'll ever be. 21 million. 21 million. That's enough for me.
People ask
ask me why I stare at charts all night, why I ride the waves even when the seas get rough. Cause I seen what happens when the money ain't right. And every 4 years the market tells us enough. They can freeze accounts, they can change the rules, they can move the goalposts, tell you not to move. But they can't change math, can't both supply higher, can't create another coin just because they desire. So when the headlines scream and the candles fall fast, I'm remembering the reason that I bought it in the past. Everybody want freedom, till freedom starts moving wild. Everybody want the future, till they gotta wait a while. Patience pays, that's the lesson I've learned. The strongest hands are the ones that never turn. You gotta keep bringing, where you gon' go? When the value keeps dripping, what you gon' hold? What you gonna hold? When they water down the dollar till it don't feel real. I'm riding with the one thing capped at 21 mil. Ooh, 21 million. The limit set in stone, 21 million. 21 million. And everybody wants their own. 21 million. The waves keep rolling on. 21 million. We ride until the dawn. 21 million. Ride the waves. 21 million. That's all there'll ever be. 21 million. That's all there'll ever be. IT. Let's go! just me.